Are you planning to build your own PC? Choosing the right case can make a significant difference. The case is not just a box, it holds everything together and affects the entire system. A good PC case is essential for airflow and cooling, which prevents overheating. It also simplifies building for first-timers and aids in cable management. Proper case selection can improve the overall experience and enjoyment of using your PC. PC cases come in various sizes. Common types include full towers for larger builds, mid towers for a balance of size and compatibility, and mini towers for compact setups. Ensure your case matches your motherboard's form factor. For beginners, a mid-tower case supporting ATX motherboards is the safest choice. Good airflow is key. Look for cases with front mesh panels and multiple fan mounting options. Ensure there's space for intake and exhaust fans. You should also consider cooling support for air or liquid coolers. When choosing a case, think about your budget and goals. For budget builds, focus on airflow over aesthetics and choose trusted brands. For gaming setups, ensure GPU clearance and prioritize cooling. If you want a quiet PC, look for sound dampening features. In conclusion, picking the right PC case balances fit, cooling, and ease of use. For beginners, a quality mid-tower case is a good starting point. What's your current PC case or one you plan to buy? Share your thoughts in the comments. Your experience could guide someone else in their choice.